If you're over 60, there's a silent skin aging trap hiding in your daily shower routine, and almost everyone is guilty of it without even realizing. This one ordinary habit, something you've done your entire life, suddenly becomes harmful after 60, quietly accelerating wrinkles, draining moisture from your skin, and weakening the natural protective barrier your body depends on to stay soft, smooth, and youthful. Dermatologists warn that this single mistake can make your skin age faster than stress, pollution, lack of sleep, or even sun exposure, yet most seniors never link their dull, thin, itchy, or tired-looking skin to what they're doing in the shower. The shocking part is, it's not about buying expensive creams or changing your entire routine. Fixing this one mistake takes less than 10 seconds, costs absolutely nothing, and can instantly help your skin feel plumper, calmer, and noticeably younger. But almost no one over 60 knows about it because it happens so quickly, so automatically, and so silently that you don't even notice the damage until it's already showing on your face and body. And before you take your next shower, you need to understand exactly what this hidden mistake is, because stopping it today could completely transform the way your skin looks and feels. So do you know which one habit is damaging your skin every single day? Tell me in the comments below, what mistake do you think you make most often? Habit number 1. Showering with hot water. Most people love taking a hot shower, especially after the age of 60 when muscles feel stiff and joints need warmth. Feels soothing, it relaxes the body, and it seems harmless. But what many seniors don't realize is that hot water is one of the fastest ways to damage mature skin. As we age, our skin naturally becomes thinner, drier, and more sensitive. The natural oils that once kept it soft and elastic start decreasing, and hot water strips away what little moisture is left. When you shower with hot water, it washes away your skin's protective oil layer, causing immediate tightness, dryness, itching, and even redness. Over time, this constant loss of moisture weakens the skin barrier, making wrinkles appear deeper and more noticeable. It also leads to flakiness, irritation, and a rough texture that no lotion can completely fix if the root cause isn't changed. Dermatologists say that hot water can even trigger inflammation, which speeds up aging and makes skin look dull and tired. The good news? The fix is incredibly simple. Switch to warm, not hot water. This small change helps your skin stay hydrated, smoother, calmer, and far healthier without sacrificing comfort. Habit number 2. Using harsh or scented soaps. After 60, your skin becomes thinner, more delicate, and far more sensitive than it was in your younger years. Many seniors assume that using strong soaps, whitening bars, or heavily scented body washes keeps them extra clean, but in reality, these products can do more harm than good. Harsh soaps strip away the natural oils and protective barrier that your skin needs to stay soft, smooth, and healthy. The result? Dryness, tightness, irritation, and even redness that can make your skin look older than it really is. Scented or antibacterial soaps may seem refreshing, but they often contain chemicals that disturb the skin's natural pH balance. This imbalance makes your skin more prone to itching, flaking, and inflammation, accelerating the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time. Even gentle scrubbing with these soaps can worsen the problem, leaving skin dry and fragile. The solution is simple. Switch to mild, fragrance-free, moisturizing cleansers specifically formulated for mature skin. These products cleanse without stripping moisture, protect the skin barrier, and help your skin maintain elasticity and softness. By making this small change, your daily shower can actually support youthful, hydrated skin instead of speeding up aging. Habit number 3. Scrubbing too hard. Many seniors believe that using a rough sponge, loofah, or aggressive scrubbing during a shower helps remove dead skin and makes them cleaner. While it may feel satisfying, after the age of 60, this habit can seriously damage your skin. As we age, the skin becomes thinner, more fragile, and less able to repair itself quickly. Scrubbing too hard creates tiny tears in the skin, which can lead to irritation, redness, and even infection. Over time, these microtears accelerate the formation of fine lines and wrinkles, making your skin look older than it really is. The problem is often compounded because mature skin is naturally drier. Harsh scrubbing removes the remaining natural oils that protect and hydrate your skin, leaving it tight, flaky, and prone to itching. Even daily overscrubbing can weaken the skin's protective barrier, increasing sensitivity to hot water, soaps, and environmental factors. The good news is that the solution is simple and painless. Switch to soft washcloths, gentle sponges, or just your hands to clean your skin. Light, circular motions are enough to remove dirt without harming your skin. By changing this one habit, your skin can stay soft, smooth, and healthier for years to come. Habit number 4, taking long showers. It's easy to lose track of time in the shower, especially after 60, when a warm stream of water feels relaxing and comforting. But long showers, especially those lasting 15 to 20 minutes or more, can silently damage mature skin. As we age, our skin naturally loses moisture and becomes thinner, making it more vulnerable to dryness, irritation, and loss of elasticity. Spending too much time under running water washes away the natural oils that protect your skin, leaving it tight, rough, and prone to wrinkles. Long showers also worsen the effects of other common habits, like using hot water or harsh soaps, because prolonged exposure amplifies moisture loss. Over time, this can make your skin look dull, flaky, and older than it really is. Even lotions and creams struggle to fully replenish lost hydration if your skin is repeatedly overexposed to water. The fix is simple. Keep your showers short and warm, ideally 5 to 7 minutes. This allows you to stay clean without stripping away essential oils. Pair it with gentle cleansing and immediate moisturizing afterward, and your skin will remain soft, hydrated, and healthier, protecting it from premature aging while still giving you that relaxing shower experience. Habit number 5, not moisturizing within 2 minutes. One of the most common and damaging shower mistakes seniors make is not applying moisturizer immediately after drying off. After the age of 60, your skin loses its natural ability to retain water, and the protective oils that keep it soft and supple decrease significantly. The moment you step out of the shower, water on your skin begins to evaporate quickly, taking precious hydration with it. If you wait even a few minutes, your skin can dry out completely, leaving it tight, itchy, and prone to fine lines and wrinkles. Skipping this crucial step weakens the skin barrier over time, making your skin more sensitive to environmental stressors like cold air, sun exposure, and pollution. Even the best creams or lotions struggle to restore lost moisture if applied too late. The solution is simple and incredibly effective. Moisturize within 2 minutes of stepping out of the shower. Use a rich, hydrating cream or body oil to lock in the water your skin absorbed. This quick habit keeps your skin soft, smooth, and plump while protecting it from premature aging. A few seconds now can save years of dryness and wrinkles later. If you're over 60, fixing just these 5 simple shower habits can completely transform your skin, making it softer, smoother, more hydrated, and giving it a youthful glow without spending a single extra rupee. Your daily shower routine can either accelerate aging or protect your skin, and the choice really is in your hands. By making these small changes, you're not just improving your skin's appearance, you're also strengthening its natural barrier, reducing dryness, irritation, and even the risk of wrinkles over time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe for more practical, senior-friendly health tips, and share it with someone you care about who might be making these common mistakes. Every little change counts when it comes to healthy, glowing skin. And before you go, tell me in the comments below, which of these shower mistakes were you doing every day? Have you tried changing any of them? Or is this your first time hearing about them? I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences.